ह्यूमिडिटी, थायराइड अभी तक रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ था, वापस कर लेते हैं. Stiffness of cervical, then old age, osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, female genital uterine polyp, osteoarthritis, inflammation of fibrous tissues when you are using calcarea cup cases, hypothyroidism, then P. Sankaran understanding of Bacillus 7, number 7, then Bodler psychic, Bacillus 7 nosode is characterized by thyroid troubles, especially by lower thyroid activity with proper lack of proper iodine function. See, iodine, thyroid, and Bacillus 7 and its correlation. So, in many thyroid cases, you should also think about Bacillus 7. This nosode represented by most of the iodine combined also remedy kali carb made from lifeless potash. Kali carb is indicated for depressive, stiffened, edematous constitution with tendency to psychological rigidity. They are very rigid. આવી તેજ થવું જોઈએ. This way only are able to work. Rigidity. Typically, they are physical symptom of thyroid trouble such as asthma, overweight, lack of muscle tone. Overweight patients. Lack of adequate function of iodine within the organism leads to psychological joylessness, lack of motion in overall organism, also exemplified in slow down, distended and constipated abdomen. Bacillus 7 is held by clematis for the tendency to absent-minded and by hornbeam and olive. These are all batch flower remedies to raise tonicity throughout mind and body. While oats stimulates to overcome mental frustration. Oats is अविनाशेट. Muesli हम खाते ना, muesli in the morning. Neuromuscular system, Bacillus 7. Rheumatic nodules, ammonium phos, rheumatic nodules. उसके बाजू में ammonium phos लिख दो. Ammonium phos. Becky cannot stand long without feeling of faintness, tendencies to sink up after sudden exertion. Now Morgan Pure. What a remedy this Morgan Pure is. It is Elizabeth Patterson who has given list of symptoms that she has collected from patients cured by different nosode from about 300 clinical cases. Madam, 300 clinical cases. And it never fails, Morgan Pure. If you have in your practice, use it, you will get result. Morgan Pure. Gram-negative bacillus, short isolated, facultatively anaerobic, isolated from fecal matters of children suffering from summer diarrhea. The diarrhea is caused by this bacillus. Morgan Pure. So Morgan Pure is what? Which mechanism I have told you? Online, offline. Which mechanism? Morgan Pure.
Soda.
Psychosis.
Psychosis. Okay, good.
Sorry.
देख लेते हैं.
Sugar cleaner.
Let's see the chronic mechanism. Psychotic. Morgan Pure is psychotic. Okay. ये साइड मिला, सबको देखने मिल रहा है. ये मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्लाइड है. ये भूल मत करना, हाँ, क्योंकि इससे काफी केस सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. ये माइजम अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ये मॉर्गन गार्टनर. Morgan Pure, so psychotic, right? So clinical. Alopecia, anal fissure, arthritis, asthma, Bartholomews, bronchitis, callositis, sorry, catarrh, chilblains, cholecystitis. My God, see कहाँ तक रिजल्ट आ रहा है. Congestion. Congestion is the main part of Morgan Pure. Gall bladder disorders. बहुत सारे gall bladder cases में I have started using Morgan Pure. Believe me, it gives result. Many cases. Hemorrhoid, leukorrhea, high blood pressure. See, hot flushes. आजकल common है hot flushes. Herpes zoster, jaundice, menopause, otorrhea, psychotico, pace planus, phlebitis, varicose vein wala, pneumonia, varicose vein, see varicose, neuritis, migraine, pharyngitis, rheumatic fever, rheumatic pains, see rheumatic pain. मॉर्गन प्योर. मॉर्गन प्योर आपको प्रैक्टिस में बहुत काम आने वाला है अगर आप इसको समझ गए तो. मॉर्गन प्योर. So mind of Morgan Pure. What is mind? Answering, answers refuse to. Mind. This is mind. Reserved. Answers refuse to. Reserved. So Morgan patients are reserved. General congestion. Morgan Pure, nitrates, ophidians, sexiflagalis. Convalescence after antibiotics use of. What a remedy it is. What a remedy it is for nowadays. Morgan Pure, Gartner, arsenical, nitric acid, and thuja. Now this is single drug rubric. Mind, anxiety, ill as if he would be. Single drug group. Mind, anxiety, ill as if he would be. Morgan Pure. Busy fruitlessly. Apis like. Many tubercular. There are 39 remedies. Then delusion, disease, every disease is. मेरे को हर तरह का सब डिजीज मेरे को ही है. मॉर्गन प्योर. Delusion, disease, every disease he has. इसको याद रखना, इंपॉर्टेंट स्लाइड है. Now delusion persecuted, he is persecuted. Very important of Morgan Pure. Now comes Down syndrome. Morgan Pure, psychotico, barataka, bufo, carcinosin, medorenum, jatamansi, pertussin and toxoplasma. टॉर्क जो करते हैं ना प्रेगनेंसी के लिए. टॉक्सोप्लाज्मा, रूबेला, साइटोमेगाली and H is herpes. Now this jumping like aurum. No, the patient will jump from very high. Jumping impulse to jump. तो fear नहीं होता उसको. Meditating, prostration of mind, sadness, suicidal disposition, tension mental, time fritters away his time, weeping. This is very important slide for Morgan Pure cases. Very, very important slide. Again, I'll repeat. For Morgan Pure, jumping impulse to jump like aurum. Meditating, jump may you will get chimpanzee or orangutan. jump. These are all monkeys which like to jump. Those patients who are attached to father and have tendency to jump is chimpanzee. I like to show you. We'll do in mammal cases. Mammal. These are all mammal. So let's see. Jump, tendency to jump. Jumping, impulse to jump from a height. Suicidal disposition, throwing reverse himself into the, right? Impulse to jump. Can you see this lag pan troglotis? दिख रहा है क्या आपको? ऑनलाइन पेशेंट ऑफलाइन. ये देखो आप, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बता रहा हूँ. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये देखो आप, impulse to jump. Agaricus, Agnus, Argentum mat, Aurum, Calcarea floor, Coffea, Crocus, leg pan, Troglottis, Lachesis, Morgan pure, Plumbum, Stramonium, Tarantula. And this remedy I don't know. This remedy I know because of attachment with father. See, attached father children are to be attached. Lachesis and this remedy will come. दिख रहा है सबको? Jumping and attachment with father. कोई यस नहीं बोल रहा.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, I'll show you this remedy also. Which is this animal? चिंपांजी है ना? ये देखो. Jumping impulse to jump. Attached father children are attached to the father. Jump tendency to jump. फाटक अगर आपके पास है तो लेट्स ओपन फाटक. फाटक ले लो. High places from Aurum and Argentum. Aurum and Argentum. Aurum अभी चला है वेट के कॉलेज. High places. फाटक देखो आप. Just open your फाटक. फाटक rapidly. फाटक rapidly. Jump. Jump tendency to. Agaricus, Aurum, Procus, Stramonium and Tarantula. Form window. Yes. Camphor, Gelsemium and Glomen. Jump tendency to breathe crossing vein. Argentum. Very important. Argentum and Aurum साथ साथ में काम करेंगे. After epilepsy is urgentum met. From height, there are mainly two remedies, urgentum nitricum and oral. और ये इंपॉर्टेंट है एडीएसडी केस में, जब टेंशन थी टू रन एंड रेकलेस सबाडिल. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं, बहुत सारे स्लाइड्स है. ये चिंपांजी याद रखना. दूसरा दूसरा रूब्रिक ये है, अफेक्शनेट चिल्ड्रन, वेरी अफेक्शनेट दिस चिंपांजी. लैक पेन ट्रोग्लोटिस, अफेक्शनेट चिल्ड्रन. ये दिख रहा है स्लाइड आप लोग को? से यस और नो.
Yes, sir. Yes.
सी चिंपांजी. चिंपांजी केसेस हम लोग मिस कर रहे हैं प्रैक्टिस में. जंप टेंडेंसी टू attached to father and affectionate children. There are many shades of this chimpanzee. Then comes convalescence. Very important slide again. Antibiotic after. ये यूज जरूर करना आप. एसिड नाइट्रेट, arsenic, thuja, Morgan Pure, Gartner back, and coli bacillus. Then comes Meniere's disease. आजकल पेशेंट बोलेंगे वर्टाइगो बोला है सर ट्रीटमेंट के लिए. This 49 remedies. One of the remedies Morgan, China Sulf, China Felixicum. Then comes eczema, margin of yours, very important again. Morgan Pure, Hydrus test, Natrum Mure, Kali silicata, Mesarium, Natrum Mure, nitric acid, oleander, petroleum, and sulfur cases. This also very important. Eye cystic tumor types. You should also think about penicillin. Next slide. Throat caseous deposit tonsils. 3 bowel nosode, psychotico, Morgan Pure, and Morgan batch. Then swelling thyroid glands. इसको मैंने याद रखने के लिए एमएसडी याद किया. एमएसडी, मॉर्गन प्योर, डिसेंट्रिकोकॉम एंड साइकोटिको. एमएसडी, 3 बाउल नोसोड, स्वेलिंग थायराइड ग्लैंड. कई पेशेंट्स में थायराइड लेवल्स नॉर्मल रहेंगे तो स्वेलिंग दिखाई देगा. थिंक अबाउट दिस मॉर्गन प्योर. Stomach symptom of Morgan Pure. Egg and milk aggravation is important of Morgan Pure. Then acidity. This I have seen in many of my practice patient. Acidity, eating emulation. इसको याद रखो. लूफा operculate. Morgan Pure, Morgan Batch, and लूफा. Acidity emulation by eating. कई पेशेंट बोलेंगे acidity, eating emulation. इरेक्टेशन टाइप बिलियस, मेंसेस ड्यूरिंग, गायनिक केसेस में काम आएंगे आपको. बिलियस, मॉर्गन प्योर, कालिका एंड फोर्टिस. इंडाइजेशन बिटर, कड़वा इंडाइजेशन. सिंगल ड्रग मॉर्गन प्योर.
सर प्लीज रिपीट,
इंडाइजेशन.
स्विच आवाज चली गई थी.
ओके, कहाँ से रिपीट करूं? एसिडिटी रिसीट, हैव यू सीन एसिडिटी?
हाँ एसिडिटी सर. हाँ सर.
ओके. इरेक्टेशन टाइप बिलियस, मेंसेस ड्यूरिंग. ये याद रखो आप मॉर्गन प्योर. प्रोटीएस भी याद रखना उसमें. मॉर्गन प्योर साइकोटिक है. प्रोटीएस कौन सा माइजिम है देखो.
Toric
पीछे देखो.
miasm.
सोरिक
Toric miasm.
according to John Patterson. Then comes indigestion bitter. Then comes indigestion long time. बहुत सालों से indigestion है. Think about this Morgan Pure. Indigestion long time for a sour food aggravation. Sour food, very important. Khatta, nausea, fat after, especially egg after. Two remedies. Morgan Pure and Bacillus 10. Bacillus 10 is indicated.
सर मॉर्निंग में
इरफ
आपने वो घी वाला क्या बताया था?
क्या बोला?
अभी के लोग एलर्जी का
हाँ, एग का एलर्जी. इरप्शन
घी से
इंग्वेनल.
एलर्जी.
ओके, एलर्जी में आपको मॉर्गन प्योर आएगा, साइकोटिको भी आएगा. एलर्जी किसकी है उसमें देखने का होता है. नौशिया फैट आफ्टर, एग आफ्टर. देन इरप्शन इंग्वेनल रीजन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस लेडीज केस विल, you will get many ladies case you will get. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्लाइड है, इसको आप सेव करो. Abdomen duodenal ulcer confirmed in many of my cases. Duodenal ulcer, dysenterycocom, Morgan Gartner, Morgan Pure, and Porteous. Four bowel nosode, Kali Beach, Glyceria glabra, and graphitis. Inguinal region left and right, two bowel nosode, Morgan Pure and Bacillus Stave. Then comes fissure. My God, what a remedy for fissure, like sedum acre. Sedum acre. Sedum acre fails. When sedum fails. Sedum fails. Sedum fails. Think about this fissure remedies. 3 bowel nosode. When sedum fails. Sedum fails. Stool thing, morning, urgent. 2 remedies. Stool thing, eating after. Bladder inflammation, frequent and painful. Single remedy, Morgan Pure. इसको सेव कर लो आप. Very important slide. Then sugar. Sugar in the urine or sugar patients. Morgan batch and Morgan Pure. Eruptions, scrotum scaly. This patient you will get where you are giving caladium and you are not getting result. Then comes female genital uterine polyp. मैंने आगे बोला था. Psychotico, Bacillus 7 and Morgan Pure. Morgan Pure cases. Then Leucorrhea offensive. आगे भी बोला था मैंने. ये important slide है. Why I am repeating? Because it will go into your mind. You will remember very easily. Asthma children in never fails to act where indicated. What they have written, just understand. The single drug is Morgan Pure. और आजकल बहुत दिखने मिलता है. Morgan Pure को सोचना. Please think about this wonderful remedy in asthmatic children. Read Natrum Sul from Kent lectures. Natrum Sul from Kent lecture and Morgan Pure. साथ में पढ़ो आप. Read Morgan Pure with natrum sulfate. Read natrum sulfate from Kent. Then come asthmatic dry asthma, blata like erina, Tila erina. Tila erina पता है आपको क्या है? Spider's web. This is thymus gland. Very good for asthma. Thymus. Growth of children. Thymus. Very nice remedy. Thymus. Then comes angina, chest angina pectoris. Think about Morgan Pure, Proteus, and Gartner. Dear student, these three remedies will help you like anything in chest angina. Morgan Pure, Proteus, and Gartner. MPG. MPG. Then comes very important slide again. What is this slide? Eruptions, mame, nipples, eczema. Many cases you will get. Eruption, mame, nipples, eczema, left, single remedy. Then comes retraction of testes, children not descended. Not descended, we have also calcarea ovatosta. It came in Prometheus proving. Children testis undescended. Then comes gynecomastia. This information is given by Dr. Masim. So the remedy for gynecomastia. The remedy is Morgan and Misem is psychotic. Then comes inflammation sacrosymphysis like Asculus. Very important again. Then comes inflammation ankle skin. The only remedy is Morgan Pure. इसको सेव कर लो, ये आपके प्रैक्टिस में बहुत काम आएगा. अगर आपने देख लिया इन्फ्लामेशन एंकल है, मॉर्गन प्योर कभी मत छोड़ना. 200 potency one dose. 200 potency only one dose. Do not repeat. This 200 is enough for inflammation skin. Believe me, it will never fail. So important. Now comes nail brittle. Morgan Pure and psychotic. Brittleness. ये कैसे brittle हो गए? Psychotic, अरे Tuja is one of them. Tuja cases. Now comes sensitive to wool feet. Very important again. Single remedy is Morgan Pure. कई cases ऐसे बोलेंगे आपको. Sensitive wool to feet. Morgan Pure जरूर देना आप उसको. Then skin warts, especially flat warts. Flat warts. These are the remedies for flat warts. Calcarea calcinata is a gem. Calcarea calcinata is a gem of a remedy. This is remedy. Calcarea calcinata. Dulcamara gem. Sepia gem. Then come Gartner and Dicentrico. Psychotico. देखो काफी नोसोड देखने मिलते हैं. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्लाइड है. ये इसको सेव कर लो. Skin, warts, hand flat. There are 11 remedies. Sepia, Dulcamara 3 marks में 2 marks में. बाकी एसिटिक एसिड, बर्बेरिस, बैसिलस 10 भी है, खाली बैसिलस 7 नहीं है, बाकी सब है इसके अंदर। नाउ इरप्शन एक्जिमा एंड इरप्शन एलर्जिक, then eczema citrus fruit, eczema allergic to yeast, eruption eczema chronic. My God, make Morgan Pure should never be forgotten. Citrus fruit में मेडोरानियम सल्फर, sensitive to sun, Diomedia exullens. Diomedia exullens is also very good drug for sun.
सर आपका आवाज थोड़ा कट हुआ था.
Okay. Sensitive to sun, Morgan Pure, Morgan Batch, Diomedia exullens, flutamide. Flutamide is a drug used for CA prostate. Very good. CA prostate drug. MPMS. Very good. And this sequoia dendron giganticus. This is coniferous. Flutamide को डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे आगे जाके. Flutamide. Diomedia पता है किसको? Diomedia. Very good. This is Elbestros. Diomedia. Diomedia को बताता हूँ आपको. Diomedia. Diomedia exullens. See what is Diomedia exullens? This is Diomedia exullens. दिख रहा है slide? This is Diomedia exullens. Albastros. What a remedy from a bird kingdom or bird remedy. For animal kingdom, bird remedy. And this is from subclass 3. Birds are all subclass 3. Birds are from subclass 3 of Dr. Rajan sir. This is Diomedia. Diomedia exullens. They have sensitive to sun rays or sun sensitive, or you can say photosensitive. One of my patient from Canada had this sensitivity to sun, and Morgan was used. Okay. Naja nigricolis, very nice remedy. Naja nigricolis, especially very black snake. Naja tripudens is अलग and nigricolis. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. This Morgan floor has a fluoride complexion. लाल हो जाता है एकदम. Fluoride complexion. Rosy एकदम. Foreign में दिखाई देगा. Foreigners. Fluoride complexion. This is the entry point of Morgan Pure. You should write entry point. Entry point into the case. Very nice. Then comes milk. These are curd. My God, कितने लोग बोलते होंगे दही तो चाहिए. बाहर जाने से पहले हम लोग दही खाते हैं. दही. Milk, these are curd. Very important desire aversion because these are all psychotic expression. Then comes varicose vein eczema. Plenty of cases you will get of varicose vein eczema. Alloxan, the drug which is used for diabetes, especially who are natural mute cases. Alloxan drug. So varicose eczema, we have Morgan Pure, Aristoclematis, tuberculin. Then comes Kawasaki disease, Morgan Pure, Latrodexus SLT, and tuberculum marmara. Latrodactylus SLT is a spider remedy. Then inflammation of fibrous tissues. Very good rubric. Then comes pain iliac fossa. हमने देखा था Bacillus 10 psychoticomegaly. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now comes protein.